All right, guys. So I'm doing the recording. So I'm doing this. So I'm in Austin with Mike. Just wanted to show this picture to you guys. Mike and I had one of these half-yard drinks last night, and also, of course, Dr. Katz also is living in Austin. So we had also dinner with Dr. Katz and his wife. This is also a picture that I want to show. Dr. Katz sends the regard to everyone. So hopefully see you all, a lot of you guys in the meetup tonight. Hopefully John and Jared also joining us. Mike came last night, but hopefully I'll see a lot of you. I had a pretty good day on the RHE. I had some swing from ARC and of course TQQ. So I'm gonna hold. So I'm gonna close my position right now. I'm all out of my day trade position. Only I have some ARC and TNA. TNA is going back up, but just holding this one. RHE I traded. Opening range break up on it. So that was my first trade on this. So did a really nice ABCD pattern on a 5-minute chart and went long at the. I tried to scalp it a little bit here from 18 to 19, but eventually I got in at 18.50 all the way up to 21, 22. And then after that, I tried to add, but I got stopped out. But eventually it turned out to be a really nice trade for me from 18 all the way up to 22. So Mike and I had a discussion yesterday, and I actually asked Mike for some opinion about what I should do, and he was telling me that since your bread and butter is in the first half an hour, after that you should really take a smaller share size. And I think that would help me a lot today because I made most of my money today in the first half an hour, and then I just took my smaller share size later. That's why I really didn't lost much money. Like TLRY, what we did on TLRY after 10 o'clock, I tried to catch a breakout on it. I got out a little too early from 1590. I wanted to break up 16. Eventually did break, but I wasn't in there. And it eventually moved up all the way up to, I think it's near 17 now. So I missed the big move on it on TLRY, and then later I would scalp it from 1660 to 1674. That was another big move on it. And that was the only day trade that I had. This RHE opening range breakout and TLRY also ABCD pattern breakout. ARC and TQQ were just the swing that I'm having. So I hope that I see everyone tonight in the webinar, in the meetup in Austin. And Jared is coming, John is coming, Mike is there. Unfortunately, Norm can't make it. So hopefully we'll see most of you. Anything from you, Brian? I know you did Piton shorted at the open really nicely. So
yeah,
really nice trade.
Yeah. Got a couple of nice shorts on Piton here. It traded pretty cleanly right down to about 1045. And I know some of our other traders in the room took that one as well, took that trade as well, so that really worked out. So, yeah.
Excellent.
Not a bad Friday.
Yeah, not a bad Friday.
Sorry I can't be at your meetup. Yeah, I think it sounds like it's going to be fun. I'm sure you're going to have a decent turnout.
Yeah, always Austin, Texas is always nice. Great to have people, really nice. And hopefully, so I'll be back in Vancouver this weekend. So from next weekend, I'm going to trade from home. Have a good weekend, guys. See you tonight. I appreciate if you're watching our YouTube, like and comment if you have any question. And of course, subscribe. We love that. Any question about the trades today or in general, just email me. I mean, last week I had a little bit of problem with this RHE, ATNX, and VXRT. I think I might actually do a recap over the weekend about trading them and, some observations that I had. So Bitcoin is doing, what about Bitcoin is doing? Coin is probably down up, huh? Yeah, coin is up to 63.
Ether. The Ethereum has been the one that's really been on fire here lately. That and of course Dogecoin, or whatever they call it, Dogecoin. And then of course people, if you're Elon Musk will be on Saturday Night Live this weekend, so see what he has to say about anything I don't think he's known as a kind of a stand-up comic, so we'll see how that all goes.
Yeah, I think he's gonna pump these Dogecoins again. I mean, this is a discussion that I had. You know, in the past, when they were pumping and dumping these social media stocks, the SEC was coming after them. Like when he tweeted, "Oh, I want to take Tesla private at 420," SEC removed him from the chairman of the chairman of the board of Tesla. So now they're doing this with this cryptocurrency, and Jack Dorsey and Elon Musk, they just tweet, they promote these Bitcoins and make a lot of money, and nobody can really pursue them because it's cryptocurrency, you know, there's no SEC enforcement in there. This level of criminality is unheard of, even in the Wall Street, really. Just pumping Dogecoin and they make billions of dollars. Dave Portnoy mentioned in a tweet that would, you know, let me get it straight. Tesla and Elon Musk buy Bitcoin and then they pump it and then they dump it for the earning of Tesla. It's just, what the hell is going on? And Elon Musk actually replied that this level of criminality in, you know, social media. I mean, Jack Dorsey, jail. Seriously, Elon Musk, jail. That's just, Jack Dorsey is promoting anyone, certain, you know, giving verification to anyone that they want. They pump Bitcoin. You know, they just it's just unbelievable. And because Jack Dorsey has a lot of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in Square and other companies that he has. Anyways, so that was a good Friday, guys. Have a good day, and see you all tomorrow. Not tomorrow, tonight in the webinar in Austin, and Monday morning in the chat room. And if you have any question, guys, comment, like, subscribe, anything that you want to have discussion, take it to the comments and YouTube channel, guys. Cheers.